Welcome back to the KK Autos. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most surprising and luxurious vehicles of the year, the BMW Motorhome 2026. Yes, you heard that right. BMW has stepped into the motorhome world, and it's unlike anything else on the road right now. Known for their precision engineering and luxury vehicles, BMW has taken their design philosophy and applied it to a mobile home that combines performance, comfort, and innovation. This is not just a van with a bed in the back. It's a true premium motorhome designed for travelers who want the ultimate experience on the road. Let's get into the details and see if this BMW lives up to its big promises. From the outside, the BMW Motorhome 2026 immediately grabs your attention. It carries the brand's signature design cues while adapting them to a larger, more practical body shape. The front fascia is bold, with the iconic kidney grille reimagined in a wider format, flanked by sleek LED matrix headlights that stretch into the fenders. The bodywork has been sculpted for aerodynamics, so even though it's a large vehicle, it looks athletic and dynamic rather than boxy. The lower panels feature protective cladding, giving it an adventurous character, while chrome accents along. The sides bring that BMW luxury feel. Large 21-inch alloy wheels come standard, and buyers can even opt for an off-road package that includes all-terrain tires, underbody protection, and adjustable air suspension for tackling rougher paths. On top, integrated roof rails allow for storage pods or additional solar panels, while the rear showcases wrap-around taillights with a futuristic LED signature. It's clear that BMW wanted this motorhome to look stylish and powerful while still being functional for long journeys. Inside, the BMW Motorhome 2026 feels like a luxury apartment on wheels. BMW has leaned heavily into its heritage of premium interiors, and the result is stunning. The cabin is designed around open space and natural light, with panoramic windows and a skylight that flood the interior with brightness. Materials are top-notch. Soft leather upholstery, brushed aluminum details, and sustainable wood trims create an atmosphere that feels high-end yet warm. At the front, the driver and passenger seats are not only supportive for long drives, but also swivel around to become part of the living area when parked. The living space has been carefully thought out. You'll find a lounge area with a fold-out dining table, plush seating that doubles as an extra bed, and ambient lighting that can be customized through BMW's iDrive system. The kitchen area is compact but loaded with features, including an induction stove, a refrigerator with freezer, a sink with filtered water, and smart storage solutions to keep everything secure while driving. Moving further back, the sleeping area is equipped with a queen-sized bed featuring BMW's signature comfort foam mattress, and above it, there's an optional drop-down bed for kids or guests. The bathroom is sleek and modern, with a rainfall, shower, a compact toilet, and a sink, all finished in durable yet premium materials. Technology plays a big role inside as well. The motorhome features a central 15-inch touchscreen that controls everything from lighting to climate, and it also links to your smartphone so you can monitor power usage, water levels, and even security cameras remotely. BMW's ambient sound system adds another layer of luxury, letting you fill the cabin with relaxing music or nature sounds as you wind down after a long drive. When it comes to performance, the BMW Motorhome 2026 stands out from the competition. Most motorhomes are bulky and underpowered, but this one carries BMW's engineering DNA. Under the hood, you'll find a plug-in hybrid system based on a turbocharged 6-cylinder engine paired with electric motors, delivering a combined output of around 420 horsepower. That means strong acceleration, smooth highway cruising, and enough torque to handle mountain climbs with ease. The hybrid system allows for short-distance electric-only driving, which is perfect for city camping or quiet campground arrivals. The suspension has been tuned for comfort, but with BMW's adaptive dynamics, it also keeps body roll under control, making it surprisingly stable even on winding roads. Driving assistance systems are plentiful, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot detection, and BMW's latest autonomous parking assist. Towing capacity is also impressive, allowing you to bring along bikes, a trailer, or even small watercraft. This is a motorhome that doesn't just take you places, it makes the journey genuinely enjoyable. Of course, luxury like this comes with a price tag. The BMW Motorhome 2026 starts at around $120,000, which already puts it in premium territory. The base version includes the hybrid drivetrain, the luxury interior finishes, and all the core features. Step up to the mid-range trims and you're looking at closer to $140,000, which adds upgraded solar capacity, enhanced entertainment systems, and additional driver aids. The fully loaded flagship model can stretch up to $170,000, bringing in extended off-grid capabilities, a larger sleeping area, massaging seats, and a high-end Harman Kardon surround system.